There's an island in the midst of the Mediterranean Sea. A nature sanctuary.
Full of grace, calm, and life.
Where a rural estate apart from time goes slow.
A house where you enjoy light, art, magic, and elegance. A hideout to be shared by a tribe of art lovers coming from all around the world.
The perfect place to get inspired. What if you could stop time for a while?
Menorca Pulsar.
Art residencies.